So, friends, we are here on the chapter number 22 and the characteristics number 22, that is the successful people. They are having high level of motivation. So, first of all, what is motivation? So, motivation is the act. The motivation is referred to as act or the state of our mind to continuously doing certain things towards one action. And this particular characteristics you will find in successful people. You will find the successful people will constantly will be working on something. They will act upon, they will work on something to achieve certain goal. They will be focused towards their goal. They will be goal oriented, and for that they will be doing the things. And this particular state or this particular act of the successful people, this itself will show that they are highly motivated. They will be excited. Their energy level will be high for doing that particular work. On the other hand, if you see the unsuccessful people, they will have low energy. They will be having not they will not be interested in doing that particular act, and they are definitely wandering here and there. They will not be focused on a particular goal. So this is the one of the characteristics that the successful people, they will be motivated. And why they will be motivated? Because if you see the successful people, they will never settle down on one particular thing. Moment they will get the one thing, they will try to get new things. They will set the new targets for themselves. So every time they will be restless to achieve one thing to another, and so on. And that is the reason this particular characteristics help them to be committed to achieve the 10x goals. So thank you, friends. I will come with another characteristics of successful people. Till then, bye.